EOD at Misawa reached out to all the different spark cells throughout the PACAF region asking for help, and we were tasked with printing these bomblets. We printed 52-ish of them, and they should be here later next week to pick them all up. They're going to use them to try to be as realistic as possible with this exercise. So this will probably give them, to what I think, the best case realistic scenario that they can handle to create the best environment for the exercise as possible for a good training environment. The biggest challenge was making sure that they looked as good as possible. I shouldn't say perfection is key, but this is going to be the entire Indo-PACOM. We want them to really see what Yokota and YokaWorks can provide. For the most part, we're a big hub, right? Misawa, Kadena, everyone comes up here for various exercises, various reasons. So with our centralized location, our robust innovation lab, we can support just about anything they ask.